For bearing connection or column bar extension under column 1, ang kailangan natin dito ay yung D. This is taken from beam shear, no? Which is D is equal to T minus clear cover minus diameter of top bars divided by 2. So, ang column 1, for column 1, meron tayong area 1 which is C1, C2. And then, ganun din kay column 2. Para dito kay column 2, ang area 1 is likewise C3, C4. Yung kanyang D, kaparehas lang ng galing sa column 1. And then, ang area 2 naman for column 1 is bounded by this shaded broken lines. Ano ay itong broken lines na yan? Ganon din kay column 2. Ngayon, ang dimension nitong broken line na yan ay C1 plus 2D. Dito naman, yung vertical is C2 plus 4D. Dito kay column 2, yung horizontal is C3 plus 2D. And then, yung vertical is C4 plus 4D. Okay? And then, meron tayong psi, minimum of A2 all over A1 and 2. And then you have to compute your P compression, which is this equation. And then if P compression is greater than PU1, then it's safe. Otherwise, meron kang excess na force na kailangan i-consider natin yung diameter of column rebars, which is yung DBC1. No? Ngayon, so ang kailangan natin dito is required ASD, which is equal to your excessive axial force divided by 0.65 Fy. Okay, so meron na tayong required ASD. Ngayon, ang considering yung column rebars, which is dito DBC1 and NC1, ito yung kanyang AS1. Okay? Ngayon, itong AS1 dapat greater than sa required ASD. Ngayon, kung insufficient pa itong column rebars, then that's the time na pwede ka nang mag-consider ng dowels. ASD, pwede mong pagsama, i-add itong dalawang rebars na yan, or pwede yung dowels lang. Okay? So, ganun din ang procedure dito sa column 2, pero ang gagamitin mo na dowels dito ay DBD2 tsaka ND2. Likewise, you have DBC2 and NC2. And lastly, dito sa weight of footing, the required area is summation of service loads for both columns plus yung surcharge plus weight of soil plus weight of concrete divided by QA. So that is the required, and then you compare this with your actual area. Your actual area should be greater than or equal to your required area to pass. Okay guys, so thank you. That's it for trapezoidal combined footing.